All right, guys, we're currently walking to the steam tunnels. We got all the boys here, and then after we're done with the steam tunnels, I'm gonna go self-camp inside of an abandoned train, so stay tuned for that.
When I was in there, I got an Amber Alert on my glasses, bro.
All right, guys, we successfully went into the steam tunnels. Now I'm gonna ditch these boys and I'm gonna go sleep inside of the abandoned train. All right, guys, I just arrived. Right beside me is the train, and then right beside me, I don't know if you can see that, is a cop car. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to get in.
I just arrived. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm getting pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make myself dinner. So the beans and rice, it did not taste good. So I'm just gonna go to bed. I low-key forgot to go pee before I got here, and I really have to go. But I'm just gonna have to wait till tomorrow morning. All right, guys, it's morning. I really have to go pee. But I'm about to make a break for it.
All right, guys, well, I made it. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe, obviously, and let me know in the comments what kind of video I should do next. Man, I am tired and I need to find somewhere to go pee.